Hello and welcome back to the Code Shop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we dive into bill splitting in the Odoo 18 point of sale module. This feature is especially useful for restaurants when a group of people wants to pay separately, or when a customer needs to use different payment methods for different parts of the bill. So let's jump into Odoo and see how it all works. First, we need to make sure the bill splitting option is enabled in your POS. To do that, open the point of sale module, then go to Configuration, Settings, and from the drop-down menu, select your shop, bar, or restaurant. Next, look for the option called Allow Bill Splitting and check the box. This feature lets you either assign specific items from the order to different customers or split the total amount evenly among them. While you're here, you can also enable early receipt printing, which allows you to print the receipt before the payment is made. Once you've selected the options you need, don't forget to hit Save at the top to apply the changes. With the bill splitting feature activated, let's open a new session in the POS and see how it works in action. Let's say two customers walk in and place an order together. They ask for one chicken sandwich, one club sandwich, a Coca-Cola, and a Fanta. Once the full order is entered, the group decides they'd like to split the bill. Each person wants to pay for their own meal and drink. To do that, click the Action button, and you will see the split option available. This is the feature we enabled earlier in the settings. After clicking Split, Odoo lets you choose specific order lines. So let's say the first customer is paying for the chicken sandwich and the Coca-Cola. Just select those two items from the list, click Split Order again, and Odoo will move them into a separate payment process. You can also assign a customer if needed. For example, let's assign this part of the order to Deco Addict. Now we can proceed with the payment. Let's say this customer wants to pay by card. Select the card payment method and click Validate to complete the transaction. And that's it. The first customer is all set. You'll even see a receipt just for the items they paid for. Now let's click Continue to finish up the rest of the order. As you can see, the club sandwich and Fanta are still on the screen. These belong to the second customer. To proceed, just click Payment, select their preferred payment method, and hit Validate. And just like that, the bill is split and both customers have paid separately. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Code Shop channel so you never miss an update on new Odoo features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.